Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to share games with other accounts on your Steam Deck. So this is actually really easy to do, and I believe this was updated recently. So on the home screen here, we want to go up to our profile picture and select it with A. Then go on down to account details. Press A on this. Then on the left, let's go down to family management. Then once we are under here, we need to join or create a family. So if this is your first time, you can go to create a family, then enter in the family name. Now you can open up the keyboard. If it doesn't open up, I believe it's Steam plus X at the same time, and then just type in a bunch of random stuff for your family name. And then you can go to create. Now there is a limitation on your account. So if you haven't spent $5 or more, like in the store, or added $5 to your account, you're still going to have a limited account. So you'll probably have to go ahead and do that. But if you don't have a limited account, you can choose the people that you can invite to your family. So very easy. You just see a list of names and then select it and then invite them. And then your friends, your family members will have to come to this page too and then go to join family. I got one pending invite. This is from my main account. Timmy Your Six Studios has invited you to join their family as an adult. So let's go to accept. Go to confirm. And that says confirm join. A confirmation request has been sent to your email. Please click on the link there to join the family. So there's another step to this process. Go to the email address, accept it, and then they should be in the family with you. And then you should be able to share games on your account back and forth. So if you are limited, just make sure you have a wallet balance of $5 or more, or you buy a game that's $5 or more. So you can just come to the section, add payment method to this account, add $5, and then you shouldn't be limited, but should be really easy. And then your library should be shared with your family members. And I believe only one family member can play a game from the library at a time. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.